Removal of the tops and sides. Tools needed are a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, magnetic preferred, a number 1 Phillips head screwdriver, magnetic preferred, flathead screwdriver. To remove the top and sides, begin by unplugging the brewer and disconnecting the water line. Open the hopper door and remove the milk powder hoppers and mixing bowl. Remove drip tray and waste bin. Then remove the screw and washer to the left of the mixing bowl at the top edge. Place your hand on the top cover just behind the K-cup pod lever. Slide it back 1 inch and lift up to remove the top panel. Remove the screw and washer just behind the lever on the left-hand side. Pull the faceplate towards you to remove. Then remove the cap underneath where the right hopper would be. Next, remove the screw in the hole. Remove the screw on the front to the right of the mixing bowl. Remove the screw and washer from the front left of the display. Remove the screw and washer from the top left just behind the lever. Remove the panel below the hopper access door by inserting a flathead screwdriver along the top edge and twisting to release the securing clip. There is 1 clip on each side, so repeat this process. Next, carefully turn the brewer around so that you can access the back. Remove the 4 small screws at each corner. To remove the sides, lift up and slide back. Repeat this process for the other side. To remove the back panel, begin by removing the screw on the top at the back edge between the hopper door and the right side cover. Slightly lift the bottom and pull out to disengage. Pull the top out enough to clear the vent fan. While pulling out the top and bottom, slide up to remove the back cover. To reassemble the back and sides, reverse the process. Call us at 888-CUP-BREW and select option 5 with any questions. Thank you.